Georgia, Cobb County, Landscape Maintenance Bond. What is the Georgia, Cobb County, Landscape Maintenance Bond? The Georgia, Cobb County, Landscape Maintenance Bond is a financial guarantee required by Cobb County for individuals or entities engaged in landscape maintenance activities within the county. It serves as a pledge that the bonded party will fulfill its obligations to maintain landscaped areas in accordance with county regulations and industry standards. Understanding the purpose. The primary purpose of the Georgia, Cobb County, Landscape Maintenance Bond is to uphold standards of quality and professionalism in landscape maintenance services. By requiring bonded parties to secure this bond, the county aims to mitigate the risks associated with the neglect or improper maintenance of landscaped areas. Mechanics of the bond. The mechanics of the Georgia, Cobb County, Landscape Maintenance Bond are straightforward. Parties engaged in landscape maintenance activities, such as contractors or property management firms, must obtain the bond from a licensed surety company. This bond establishes a contract between the bonded party, the surety company, and Cobb County. Significance to stakeholders. For stakeholders involved in landscape maintenance activities and the community at large, the Georgia, Cobb County, Landscape Maintenance Bond holds significant importance. It ensures that landscaped areas are maintained to a high standard, enhancing the quality of life for residents and contributing to the overall attractiveness of the community. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.